Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 2008 Chevy Equinox. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your vehicle's center dash storage cubby. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. And if you ever need parts for your car, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1AAuto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. Using the trim removal tool, carefully pry the chrome bezel down on the bottom of the shift lever. You got to kind of work your way around this. It's a little tricky, but just stick with it because you really don't want to break that. You'll need a T10 Torx screwdriver to loosen this bolt. Carefully remove the shift knob from the shifter. Place that off to the side. Pop this lower trim panel back. I've lifted the e-brake up here so you can get it by. Now we'll lift up on the bottom and work our way around the edges with our trim tool, releasing all the clips. There are some in the corner here that you have to kind of pull back and up. Turn your key on, place the vehicle in neutral, carefully lift the bezel up and back. We're going to put the vehicle back in park and take our key out for now. Remove the electrical connectors for the switches at the bottom. As well as the ones on the back of the HVAC unit. And the 4 connectors at the top as well. That's a micro switch there, and those can be very delicate. So to be safe, we're just going to pry up on these tabs. And remove that entire switch as opposed to just releasing the connector. To remove your storage cubby on the center dash bezel, you'll want to flip it over and remove these 4 7mm screws first, then the bottom 2. We'll do this using a 7mm socket and ratchet. Now lift your HVAC control unit out of the center dash bezel. With your HVAC unit out of the way, we can remove the 2 bolts at the bottom of the storage pocket and remove that. Reinstall the storage pocket and the 2 7mm screws at the bottom. We'll start those by hand for now. Reinstall your HVAC control unit and start all 4 of the 7mm screws by hand. Now you can tighten the screws down with a 7mm socket and ratchet. Now you'll see I'm just holding the head of the ratchet here because you really don't need a lot of torque on these. Otherwise, you're just going to break the little plastic studs that are on there. Put your key on and your vehicle in neutral, which is 2 clicks down on the shifter. Snap your StabiliTrak switch back into its spot in the bezel. Reconnect the rest of the electrical connectors. Lay the panel back into place. Carefully snap all the tabs back into place. Put the vehicle back in park and turn your key off. Reinstall the lower cover. Just gotta line up the tabs. Snap it all back into place. Reinstall the shifter. May have to wiggle this a little bit to get the set screw to line up. Pop the bottom bezel back into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.